Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm continuing on strings and I will cover several methods related to searching inside the JavaScript string. And there are a bunch of them, and for people are familiar with Java, you should see them are very similar, except one. In Java, we use contains, but in JavaScript, we use includes. So let's take a look at them. Suppose we want to search for a string. You have indexOf, includes, startWith, and endWith. Includes in Java is like, as I mentioned, contains, okay? But the return type, some of them are different, okay? So indexOf, if it find, it will give you the position. Otherwise, it will give you -1, okay? Includes will give you true or false, depends if you can find or not. And startWith, it will also return true or false, and endWith also return true or false. And let's take a look at how to use them. And when we read the APIs, before we take a look at it, and this part means optional. When you see a bracket notation, and that means those are the optionals, okay? And when we give them, it will have the limitations, kind of like a condition on top of that, okay? So for the position, and this first one is starting from the given position, okay? And otherwise, it's gonna be 0, the position. This one depends on, this one should be the same as this one, okay, if I remember correctly. I didn't mention very clear here. We will take a look at it later. And also startWith, okay, for search, default is 0, which is started from beginning. And we give a length here. And which is default is the string.length, which is entire string. If we give, it's gonna be the length you stopped, okay? Now let's take a look at how each one of them. I will show you all the examples. Let's go to the IDE, and I will have a string search. Okay. I'm going to be the similar things for every time. I'll have here. I have a script, and here let's have a string like a const str equals like a b c d e f g, okay, hi, let's say a b c d e f g hi, like this way, okay? We have capitals, we have lowercase, and let's take a look at the index, which is the first version without the options, without the optional one, okay? You can give a substring here, so we'll do like a str.indexOf. It also have last thing, and you can give, do I have a bc, which is a substring, okay? Then he will give you, if we define it will give you index. Let's take a look at const index equals, and then we can clg index here, okay? Give here. And now let's go to, I haven't opened the browser. Let me open in the browser, and I'll drag it to here, and I will use inspect to see, and it give me 1. The reason is because why? Because BC is the 2 characters, and when we look at the string, the A is 0, BC, and it have 2 characters, but I start out with B, so it will give index is 1 here, okay? If I give a capital A, it will give you 9, like a ABCD. This one is 8 and this one is 9, okay? Like this way, how to do. And now let's take a look at another one, which is have a position, okay? Position should be, if I remember correctly, should be if given started from, okay, started from. Suppose we change a little bit, and we will do const index2 equals str.indexOf, and previously when we give bc, we will have clg index. We will have what's name, index2. I made a mistake here, should be index2. We'll have 1, right? 1. But now I give a position which is from 9. Okay, it starts from 9 to search, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We start from 8 to search. And let's take a look at it here. It will give you -1 because after starting from this part, I don't have a BC. It's a case sensitive. Okay, it's a case sensitive. Then I have, if I have a BC here, then you're gonna have again, okay, 18. So if I cannot find it, it will give you -1. If I define it, it's gonna be any number which is greater than 0, because if I find A, right, this A, it will give you a 0. And if for anything not defined, it will give you -1. So that's indexOf. Used pretty often. Next one is what? Next one is includes. Includes like Java's contents. Do I have anything contain that? Okay. And let's do it. Okay. Let's do like this way. Okay. str.contains. Don't have contents. You can only use includes. Like, do I have ef? And if it has, it will give you true or false. It will give you true or false. Okay. They'll give you true. But if I don't have like a EFH, okay, I don't have this one, right? And it will give you false. Okay. And also it can have position which is started with. Yeah, it should be started with. Let's take a look at it here. Okay. Sorry. I want to do like this way. Let me do one thing, okay? Wait a minute for a second. Right then. I want to do like this way, so I don't need to switch back and forth when I change the code, right? And here, okay, I just do like this way. So here, previously when I have EF here, it will give you true. But now let's add an index. Let me using another one, okay? So I can keep the source code for you guys. I have EF, and here I will give you 19, okay? And which is started with, it will give you false. The reason is because this one is starting with a 19, and I don't have 19. This one is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18. Okay, I can use 16. Okay, 17. And start with 17 should be here or here. Okay, basically it's skipped for the previous the characters. So afterwards I don't have EF. That's why they give you false. And by default it's gonna be 0, which is start at the beginning of the string. Okay, that is includes, which is contains. And start with, end with, very easy to understand. Let's do a start with first, okay? You can have a CLG, okay, str dot start with, okay, is a string start with BC. And let's take a look at. It will give false because string doesn't start with BC. And if we give A, and our string started with A, so last one give you true. But now what we'll do is like this way, okay? Str dot start with, okay? And just now when we use BC, that didn't work, right? They will give us a false, right? They will give us a false, which is the last one, okay? And we will do just add one. One, and let's see, this is false, okay? It will become true because now start with is a start from B and C, which is the first index, okay? And the first index is B and C. That's why they give us true. If I use 2, then it will give false again because 2 doesn't start with BC, okay? Because 2 start with C and D. That's what it means, okay? That is this one. Last one is end with, okay? str dot end with, okay? End with, did I end with I? And we should see a true, right? The last one, okay? We will see a true, okay? True, end with I. But if I give a console log, okay, and str dot end with, okay, I will end with I, and I'll give a this one is the length, okay, when to search how the length of the string you want to end with. Suppose I end with which is this part, okay, A, B, C, D, E, which is 5, you will get what's that? Will get false. Okay, false. Because if I give 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, the length, this is the 5, the length, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it should be E. If I use E, it should give us true, the last one, okay? Give us true. Because it means the length, the length of string now become 5, and 5 is end with E. That's why I give us true, okay? So that's the difference between them and how to use them. And when I use, I don't use that the second parameter, okay, which is a position and the length very often. Normally just do like a simple version, like this way, and this way, okay. Anyway, if you have other questions, you can search the documentations. It's not easy, it's not difficult to understand, okay. So that's it. We covered 4 ways to search on a string, and they also have others like last indexOf, and you can check the full documentation online, okay. So see you next time. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.